Hello and welcome to my open box video of my new VIOFO A229 Plus dashcam front and rear. I've needed a new one for a while as I've just bought a new car, so I'm hoping this is a lot better quality than what I've got currently. So let's get into it and just see what's in the box. So let's just take the top off. It slides off nicely. So it looks like there's a nice straightforward diagram of how things connect up in the top of the box, and then at the top here we've got the main front facing camera. So on the side it's got a micro SD card slot and the sticky pad on the back, and of course there's a camera at the bottom. On this side it's got the connection for the rear camera, so that's that. Let's put that aside. The next part is one of the additional cameras for connecting to the rear. That will be very useful, especially as I'm going to upgrade to having the hardwire kit for parking, which I find is quite useful nowadays, as there's lots of people hitting vehicles while you're parked, and they drive away without leaving you a note. Very nice of them. And then we've got another camera. I'm assuming this is for inside. One's for inside, one's for outside, out the back, and so that will be very useful as well for seeing what's going on in the cabin. Let's take the top off. So now we've got a basic user manual, so all the details you need to install it. It looks very straightforward. I hope to do an additional video later after I've installed it, just to show how it all connects. So that looks good. There's some accessories there with the pad, of course, to stick it on the window. So yeah, that's the packaging there. We'll leave that for now. Let's see what's at the bottom. So this is the main cable that of course connects it to your 12 volt socket in the car to power it that way. There's the 12 volt socket, and there's the USB cable. It's nice to see USB-C being used now on these new dash cams. Put that aside. Got another USB-C cable here. I'm assuming that's the one for the inside face view camera. And then we've got the main cable to go, I'm assuming, to the rear of the dash cam to the socket to the camera. That's that cable, USB-C again, nice to see. Then we've got an additional cable here. So I'm assuming that's for audio. I think that's everything. Oh, and there's a tool here just to help fit it. I didn't realise how easy they are, especially with this type of tool. That really helps fitting the dash cam. So I think that's everything really. As I say, there is a hardwiring kit you can buy extra. I'll leave a link on the website, and that's got all the details on there of which different hardwiring kit you need for each camera. And so yeah, I think we'll leave it there. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. That's what's in the box, and I hope to come back and to say do additional video at some point in the future. But that's everything for now. Thank you.